there's another tiny a little bit older, I guess.
Hey, let's go see. Hey! You see more horses out there?
This horse likes you, Lily.
Nah.
That's the mummy.
Nah.
Is that the mummy? Oh, cute.
Looks like a little friend. He says, let's play.
It's so funny when they trot.
I know, when they
Their little heads bump. Oh, man.
It's following Lily. That's cute.
I think she likes Lil. She found a little friend. That's ready.
All the stones are ready, Dad says.
Oh, okay.
If Lils could trot, I bet the horse would trot with you.
Yeah.
That's cute.
That's way cute.
Horse just following her around.
Are you riding a horsey, Lil? Lily,
Lily, hang on.
hold on tight.
Hold on right here.
Cute. Do you like riding a horse? Say giddy up, horsey. Hi, Lily. Can you say wee-haw?
Lily, what does a horsey say?
Nah.
You want to
ride
ride the
that
white
way?
one? Okay, come here. Hang on right here, big girl. Lily. Lily, hang on right here.
Cute.
I want